In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your AliExpress account. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of AliExpress, knowing how to easily access your account is crucial for all your shopping needs. Let's break down the process and get you logged in smoothly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the AliExpress website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official AliExpress page to ensure the security of your account information. Once the homepage loads, you'll find a red button with the label Sign In, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will take you to the login page. Now you're on the login page. You have a couple of options to proceed. One of the more traditional methods is to input your email address. If you're comfortable typing in your credentials, like your email and password, go ahead and do so. Just make sure you're keying in the correct email address associated with your AliExpress account. Alternatively, opting for a quicker method, you can choose to sign in with your Google account. This option streamlines the process if you've already connected your Google account with AliExpress. By choosing Google, you'll be smoothly transitioned into another page where you'll see a list of Google accounts available for login. To proceed, simply select your preferred Google account. It's usually as easy as clicking on the account name that you use for AliExpress. Make sure to select the correct profile, as this will take you directly into your AliExpress account. This method is both fast and secure, sparing you the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. After selecting your Google account, you might experience a brief pause as AliExpress authenticates your login information through Google's secure system. And just like that, once it's completed, you'll be redirected back to the AliExpress homepage, where you'll notice that you're now logged in. And there you have it. Successfully logging into your AliExpress account is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Remember, keeping your login information secure is key. So if you're using a public computer, always ensure to log out after your shopping session. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on navigating the world of online shopping.